The handheld amateur radio market is crowded, but only a handful of models truly balance rugged construction, practical features, and user-friendly operation. After spending hands-on time with the Retevis HA1UV, it becomes clear that this radio was designed with field reliability in mind, rather than just spec sheet appeal. From unboxing to daily operation, the HA1UV delivers a confident, professional experience that will resonate with outdoor enthusiasts, emergency responders, and licensed amateur operators alike. Lifting the box for the first time, the weight immediately suggests something more substantial than a typical handheld radio. Opening it feels organized and deliberate. Everything has its place. The Retevis HA1UV sits securely in the center, flanked by the charging base, battery, USB cable, belt clip, wrist strap, and the user manual. No filler, no unnecessary extras, just a complete working kit ready to be assembled and powered on. The Retevis Ailunce HA1UV is not just another entry-level dual-band handheld. It is a thoughtfully engineered radio designed for reliability, clarity, and longevity. Its rugged IP67 construction, excellent battery life, high-gain antenna performance, and intuitive interface make it equally suitable for outdoor adventurers and hikers, emergency preparedness and disaster response, amateur radio operators seeking a dependable daily radio, industrial or professional field communication. For users who value durability, signal integrity, and practical usability over gimmicks, the HA1UV stands out as a well-rounded and trustworthy companion in demanding environments.